The super popular Renegade Industrial Premium 62-inch mobile workstation is exactly what you need if you're looking to update or freshen up your workshop. Featuring an excellent wear-resistant treated rubber wood worktop and a rear perforated panel for easy access tool management, the workstation also features a built-in power board with 2 USB and 4 10-amp power outlets. The cabinet has been powder coated both externally and internally for corrosion and wear resistance. It comes with 10 drawers that are versatile for any workshop needs. You can check out the specific dimensions on our website. Then we have the useful cabinet space with adjustable shelf, a handy small tool shelf on the side, steel handle and heavy duty casters, 2 fixed and 4 swiveling with brakes. We have single lock points for all drawers, protective corners, strong 45mm ball bearing sliders and custom to fit EVA foam drawer liners. The Renegade Industrial Premium 62-inch mobile workstation is packed with storage options and features a quality construction that you won't see anywhere else at this price point. Make sure you check them out at your nearest TradeTools store or online at TradeTools.com.